Catherine Bernardo update. Na-spotted mga si Catherine. And sa taping ng Someone Someday. With Direct at Chad Midanes. Yung busy si Catherine. Sa bago niyang yung teleserye na Someone Someday. Ayan, no? Ang ganda pa nga ni Catherine, no? Ang ganyan kabait si Catherine, eh. And for Pure Foods and Pinoy Favorites na endorsement ni Catherine. Ang sarap yan, no? Gawang Pure Foods. So ito yung outfit ni Catherine. And during BPI and Direct Bango yung event. Ayan, no? Saka pinalo na nga ni Catherine si Mayor Mark Arcala sa Instagram. Ano kaya ang susunod? Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard in Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya!